Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Backyard in, Guy with no lights. Let's see if we can get him. Hey!
Opa! Oh, another one.
He's not. He didn't that one.
I never get one when I do that.
Yeah. I love doing it. It's so satisfying.
Cool.
Can I do it?
Yeah, of course.
Yay! 2 for 2!
Okay,
man.
this guy we're behind probably thinks he's like, do I have a brake light on? That's hilarious. I didn't expect it to feel that good.
Bro, are you serious? My goodness.
What the?
The share of last year's grain harvest still in the country, about 25 million tonnes of grain, a lot of it maize, corn, is stuck there because Odessa's ports.
That's adulting. You don't just try to force something. You just gotta let it breathe, you know? I want to thank you for being in here.
Oh no.
Taking a lot of phone calls. Some made it here and some didn't.
Rolled it inside. That's when that broken heart gets worse. And so we actually talked it through, and we're still talking about it. The conversation is going to continue. You can always, communicate with us on.
You're joking, bro. You have. Where do I have?
Friend both look over at each other, and then he puts his head back out the window. Allstate. Here, better protection costs a whole lot less. You're in good hands with Allstate. Click, call, or visit.
I have one left still, so maybe just one for now, but I don't need it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Holy shit! Fire, fire, fire! Hold on a second, babe. Holy shit.
What happened?
Places I don't want to be. And together? Oh god. Yeah. A slew in Seattle?
That's what I'm saying. Goddamn, 5 million.
Got a clip for Dashcam lessons.
Just read it.
Yeah, bro, that's gotta be like a horse name.
Well, I got my clip for Dashcam lessons now.
Red bean, stop. Stop. Oh, there's a dude driving. There's a dude driving.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.